I will help you. When Mama Heron needs help, Lungile comes to her rescue. Ouch! Mama Heron hurts her wing and leg on barbed wire. I am hurt. I can't get home to my children. Please help me. Why are you crying, Mama Heron? I can't get home to my children. I will help you, says Lungile. Thank you, Lungile. The next day, Gogo sends Lungile to the shop to buy bread. On the way, he stops to play with his friends in the river. Aish, the money is gone. Don't come home until you find that money. Why are you crying, Lungile? I lost the money Gogo gave me to buy bread. We have no supper now. I will help you. Mama Heron's sharp eyes see the coins shining in the water. Thank you, Mama Heron.